Hello?
Hello, Namaskaram. May I please able to speak?
Yeah?
I'm calling from the Kamnali police station. Myself is Mr. Nagaraj.
Tell me, sir.
What is this boy, Suhas and Jonathan, ma? You're knowing them?
Yeah, sir, I know them.
Yeah. What is the connection between you and them, ma?
Sir, they're my friends, sir.
See, be honest along with me, otherwise there'll be many problems. What is the connection?
Sir, they're my boyfriends, sir.
Both of them are your boyfriends.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ma.
Sir,
What you are saying? You are loving both of them.
yes, sir.
Oh, ma. What is this culture?
Sir, love no, sir.
In an age when you should learn how to draw a triangle, you are living in a triangle.
No, sir. This age only, no, sir. We can do musty.
So, you are messaging single or you are doing a group chatting with them?
No, sir. Group chat house, sir. Single only, sir.
And it is not pinching you that you are cheating on them, nothing.
No, sir. What?
It's
pinching,
cool,
sir?
it's enjoy.
Enjoy.
So your parents also know this one.
No, sir. Why parents, sir?
We'll inform them, huh?
No, sir. Don't do that, sir.
Okay, hypothetically, if a Suhas is cheating on you, that means?
Sir, how will he cheat, sir? Why will
No,
he?
if he goes and gets one more girlfriend, that is a problem or no?
Yeah, problem, sir.
So if you are doing both, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma, wonderful talking to you, ma. You are a...
What, sir?
Really, ma. Honor talking along with you, ma.
But what happened, sir?
Gorgeous!
Sir, what, sir?
No,
Sir?
in your honor, I want to play the boogli, ma.
What boogly, sir? Sir? So what, sir?